gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me wet. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her, yeah.
May babae ako nakitang kay ganda. Yung mga mata niya ay bibihagin ka. Pag tumingin ka sa kanya ay matik na. Parang pinanaka ni Cupido, sapul na sapul ka.
Cause I lose myself around you, girl. You got some kind of way. There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay.
Kung ako na nga ang papipiliin, panalo ka na matik, pwede mo pa kong alipin.
Ikaw lamang ang laging nasa panaginip ko. Ayaw ko nang itigil to.
Araw-araw kitang aalagaan, sasabihin sa'yo na ikaw lamang. Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Can I be honest? Magising sa umaga di mo lang alam, ikaw yung tanging nasa isip.
Kaya kita sa paraan na ako lang ang magkakaalam.
Dagdag pa dyan ang ngiti niya, pag tinignan ka pa niya, sure na finish ka. I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk.
It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me hurt. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk.
It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me hurt. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's
Feel the
wrong
blood
and
creeping
why
up from the
never
heathens. Got
said
will,
you
got
felt
fight,
that
got
way.
pride, got reason.
Guess
If
you're
they
trying
wanna
to stay
go eat,
strong
then you
and
know I'm
fake
gon'
this
feed 'em. If you
violent
coming for me, hope you ready
away.
for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. So what's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain? All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up on my thoughts, sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. Never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no they'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. You're sticking by my side baby, I'll be okay. Okay, cause I'm a live life for the fight. Yeah, I'm here today. I got drive by sight, always have a vision. I don't ride at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning.
Feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed 'em. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat